Hi. So before we get to the makeup, I wanted to go over a few of our skin products. My favorites, of course. When I wash my face, I usually use the Shine Cloths, or I use our Illuminate. There's clean and there's clear. I have the clean because I have dry to normal skin, but the other one is for oily skin. Another thing I do is in the morning, like a half an hour before I wear makeup, I kind of concocted this through someone sharing it with me, but I use the moisturizer, and I take some eye serum, and I put a little bit of the moisturizer in my hand, just a little tiny dab, and then I take the eye serum and I put just a little drop, and then I mix it all together and I put it all under my face, all over my face. And this helps with eye puffiness, the wrinkles, even though I don't have a ton yet. You can even do this like before you go to bed if you don't want to do it in the morning. Sometimes I do that too, because you don't want to put your makeup on right after you do this until it kind of sets in. And it really helps with the puffiness. And it's so moisturizing. And that again is our Divine moisturizer and our Uplift eye serum mixed together. Now you can always use them each separately. The eye serum, you know, it says eye serum, but you can use it all over your face, anywhere. Some people use it for stretch marks, anything really. The moisturizer is great. I love it. I'm sure you will too. Okay, so after this is dried or settled, which it's not really dry yet, I use the primer. Our primer is amazing. Before Younique, I never even knew people used primer. Never even knew it. It's great. You only need a little bit. Put like, mine is getting empty because I use it so much. Oop, that's way too much. Try to suck it back in. And wipe some off. Okay, I just do this. Start under my eyes. And just go all around your face. And this helps keep your makeup stay on like legit all day long. Even if you're sweating, like if you have to go work out, it'll stay. It really will. Okay, so we'll let that settle for a minute. And our next is the concealers. Actually, eye primer. We do have specifically eye primer, and it does have a little pigment in it. You can use the Glorious eye primer or the Glorious primer for your eyes, but this has a pigment. It gives it a little bit of a color. As you can see, it's kind of like fleshy. And you only need like a super tiny bit of it. And I just put it anywhere that I'm gonna put my eyeshadow. That's it. Okay. I use our Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting. This is a concealer. It will conceal pimples, blemishes, dark spots. Like, I have a lot of dark spots because I was a tanner, and so I just have a lot of icky stuff, but I just picked the really dark ones to use. Now what I do is I kind of put it on my hand first. Put a little dot on my hand just so that it warms up, so it's like butter when you're putting it on and not real hard and stiff. And then I just kind of use a brush. Sometimes I'll use my finger if I'm lazy. Sometimes I'm lazy. And I'll just do the dots and then work it in. But someone showed me this trick and it actually works a lot better. So I focus in on my eyes. And I just dab it and I do like a triangle. And this is 2 shades lighter than my foundation. This is to kind of highlight my eyes. And just work it out. Might have a little much there, but you can also do this with BB cream if you buy the BB cream with the light and the dark. And you're always supposed to go in a downward motion so that you don't fill in any wrinkles or cracks. And then it looks cakey and looks gross. Can you see how light that is? Just trying to work it in a little bit more. Just kind of blend it out. And then for the highlighting part, you do like a little triangle here. Because I have this annoying mole right there. Nice triangle. And then I do the tip of my nose. Makes it look skinnier. And then one right here. And see, that one dab did all of that. Just a tiny bit. And can you see already how I'm highlighted? Like, you can see how much difference it makes. Okay, I'll be back with foundation. Hi,